Breaking the Wall of Unrecyclable Composites, Lucia Doyle. Falling Walls Lab, Marie Skłodowska-Curie Actions.
Humans, we are ingenious, ambitious, curious creatures. We want to harvest energy from the wind, choose where in the planet to live in, yet return to our parents twice a year. We want to go to Mars. Realizing these ambitions require materials that are extremely lightweight and strong and tough and provide thermal and acoustic insulation and be extremely reliable. We need the ultimate unbreakable materials. And we, engineers, we deliver. Aeroplanes, wind blades, they're made out of composite materials, complex material mixes to deliver all these functions. Hard to separate, hard to recycle. By 2040, only aviation will produce 240,000 tons composite waste, worth 12,000 million euros. That's Hungary's spending on healthcare to landfill. We can no longer afford this. So maybe it's time to say, fellow humans, we made it so far. It's time to downscale our energy consumption, our traveling, our ambitions. Or maybe it is time to think and design different. What if we achieve complex functionality through complex microstructures of a single material? I am working in combining physical foaming and 3D printing of PEEK thermoplastic. PEEK, as a base material, has mechanical properties which can compete with metals and is easily recycled through melting and reprocessing. So far, we could achieve lightweight materials through foaming. Micropores can be achieved, but we have no control on their size or geometry. 3D printing has opened up huge possibilities on geometry control. So by combining both, we can achieve ultra-lightweight parts, and through tuning the geometry of the microstructure, we can tailor and tune for specific loads, specific noise frequencies, specific heat transfer, all the functions with just one material. Because we want to go to Mars, but not because our planet is full of trash, but because we humans want to understand the origins of life and then return back home. And our multifunctional materials should return back to the economy as well. Thank you.